In these next few problems, we're going to look at different representations for 3D shapes. So first of all, we have the foundation plan right here that tells you here's the front, there's one cube in each of these, there are 2 cubes there, 3 cubes in a row there, and this is the right side. And then we have to check from the orthographic drawing set. So this is an orthographic view, one choice, and another, and another, and another. So the one thing they always recommend is that you check the front. I think on this case the front's a little bit more tricky. For me it's easier to take this right because it's got 1, 2, 3. So the first one is 1 tall if I'm looking at the right. Then it's 2 tall, right? Then it's 3 tall. Now the reason I went ahead and did lines is I just wanted to show the cubes. So that tells me automatically that it's not this one and it's not this one. Now why is this one different than this one? So this one looks a little different than this, and I also have 2 different choices on the front. When I look from the top, if they are all solid like this, that means they're at the same level. Well, 1 and 2 is not at the same level, so it can't be this one. So these are at 3 different levels. This is 1 block high, 2 blocks high, 3 blocks high. 1 block, 2 block, 3 blocks. Also from the front, why did they show 3 lines here? Well, you're going to see the people in the front row that are only 1 block high. Then you see right behind them the people that are 2 blocks high standing. Then you can see the heads of the really tall people that are 3 blocks high. So your choice is C. Now let's take a look at problem 7. For the given foundation plan, that's the foundation plan, select the isometric drawing. The isometric drawings are these drawings with the dots, and you kind of connect the dots and see what they are. So I think it's easiest to go, first of all, match the front to the isometric drawings. I can kind of see this 4 and a 4, 4, 4. And are all of these 4 tall? They are. Wait, no, that one's not 4 tall. 1, 2, 3. That looks like a 3 tall. And that one's kind of short. So this one doesn't work. It's not 4 tall. This one's all 4 tall. Let's see, this one's 1, 2. That one's only 3 tall. That won't work. So now I have this one's 4 tall. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So a little hard to see here. There it is. All right. So those are all 4 tall. So I only have to choose between figure 3 and figure 4. What is the difference between the two? Well, I'm a little confused. This feels a little Escher-y back here. What I do know is that the front face I have only 1 block high, right? 1, 2, and these are all 1 block high, so that's fine. And so are these, okay? Then, right next to it, in between on this far side, it's 2 blocks high, which kind of makes sense. You see how this comes out? 1, 2. These are the 2 block rows. It's maybe even easier to see on the right side. You can see that these are 2 blocks high. So it actually matches the 2s here, and the inside is all flat, just 1 block high. So figure 3 is the appropriate choice. Now to problem 8. They want to identify the foundation plan and which problem that goes with. So which one of these different views. So I've got this. I've got a 1 here, a 2 there. I have a 1 there, 1 there, 2 there, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 high. And I can kind of see a 2 here, and I can kind of see a 1 on that far side. So the front should have a 1. So this works. 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. Then that's my 2, and I'm not sure. That 1 that's supposed to be back here may not be showing. So we'll hold off on that. Okay. The other thing, so let's see, I've got this. I'm wondering if I should actually be able to see that one. I don't think I can see that one. Okay, it's not. The problem with this one is that I can't see this block. It's way back here. So if it's there, I can't tell. All right? And I know it's not this one. So let's double check again. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and there's a 4. I would actually be tempted to choose, because I can't see this one and I can't see that one, for the part I can see, I would actually pick this one right here. Now, last but not least, let's go ahead and take a look at this last problem. And what I'd like to do, we're doing it from the right side. So well, actually, which side is it? It could be the right. So first of all, I need to find a nice L shape. Do you see a nice L shape? There's none from the top, and I don't see any from here. So one thing you could do is color the sides that face different ends, different colors. So I'm going to just color the right red. So everything that can be seen from the right is red. And you can see a little bit there, but not everything. Okay? And what else can you see? You can see all of this, although it can also be seen from the front. So I'm going to color everything that can be seen from the front green. From the front, you would see this part right here, and you would see this part. So it'd be kind of slanty if you were doing the green, a rectangle on bottom, and sort of a slanty U would be like that. So let me draw it a little better so you can see it. Something like that. But I would have a cutout because see right through here there's no space right there. Okay, it's not from the top because from the top I could color those orange, and you can see I'd have sort of a little trapezoid on top, another trapezoid, and a triangle, and none of those shapes are there. So what it most closely matches is the red side right here. See the L? Then I have this sort of U thing going on, and you can see part of that in the back. So this is a right-hand view of the shaded figure.